Okay, guys. So what if it's not what if one of the equation is not does not look like this, you know? What if it does not look like this where one variable is expressed in terms of the other? What if all the x's and the y's are on the same side of the equation? So the best method to use is elimination. Okay, you don't move this to the other side, so you can solve for y in terms of x. You don't have to go through that. There's a better way to do that, a shorter way, okay, a more convenient way, and that is elimination method. All right, where all the x's and the y's are on the same side, and the constants are on the other side. So you use the elimination method. So when you use the elimination method, okay, you are what do you call this? Sorry. You are using or employing addition or subtraction operation. So your purpose here is to either get rid of the x or the y. Okay? So you either eliminate x or you eliminate y. In this case, the easier variable to eliminate is the y. Why? Because because your y's are additive inverses, meaning one is positive, the other one is negative. They have the same numerical coefficient. Therefore, if you add them, you will have a 0 y, or y will be eliminated, right? So remember, when we do elimination method, we either add these two equations or we subtract these two equations. Okay? If you take a look, so miss, when do we add, when do we subtract? If you have additive inverses, then go for it, because once you add them, those additive inverses will become 0. Okay? If you want to eliminate the x, say you want to eliminate the x and you solve for y, so this time you cannot add, because if you add, your x will become 2x, right? X plus x will give you 2x, so the x will not be eliminated. If you want to eliminate the x, you subtract, and then if you subtract, then you change the sign. All right? So we use elimination by addition this time. So I will copy to show you. So x plus y equals 8, x minus y equals 2. Now I will add elimination by addition. Because my goal is to eliminate my y, I will work on x variables. Okay, so positive, you will add these two equations. Alright, this horizontal line means it's an equal sign. It's like an equal. So your answers here are, you write down your answers below this line. You add them. Okay, so x plus x now will give you 2x. Now positive y plus negative y, like what I've said, they are additive inverses. They are 0. So automatic crush out, they are 0. So 8 plus 2 will give you 10. Oh, divide so easy and fast. Now solve for x. Divide by 2. And then x equals 5. There you go. It's very fast. Right? Now you have the value of x. Substitute this in one of these equations. It's up to you. Do you want to work with the first or second equation? Okay? This time I will copy the first equation, x plus y. Always copy the equation that you want to work on with. Excuse me. Okay? So now I will substitute the value of x, which is 5. Bye, Carlene. I'm making videos for math. That's Manang Carlene, anak. So x equals 5. So instead of writing x, I will write 5. I will enclose it in parentheses so that it's understood that it is a substituted value. Okay, copy the rest of the equation. Now, move it to the right side to solve for y. Y is now equal to 8 minus 5. Y is 3. Huh? Yes, y equals 3. Now, do we stop there? No, we have to check if indeed the values that we found are the solution to our equations. So, checking. Alright, I will check first the first equation, copy. That's more systematic. You know, if you're used to it, you can do it mentally, right? So 5 for x and 3 for y equals 8. Indeed, 8 equals 8. Oh, next, copy the second equation and then substitute the value. So 2 equals 2. Wow! So we got two true equations which proved us, or which tell us that these two values of x and y are indeed the solution to our equation. So 5 first and then 3. Alright?